Maze Adventures!
I love you, Mommy. I love you to the moon. I love you and it's Mother's Day soon. Hey, it's May from May's Adventures. And what day is coming up soon? Yeah, it's Mother's Day soon. I love my mummy. Do you love your mummy? Yeah, we all love our mummies. So let's show them just how much we love them with Mother's Day and make them a flower bouquet out of things that we find in nature. Does that sound like fun? Yeah, let's go do it then. I want to see what I can find in the forest and forage from the ground, as we don't want to pick things that are still living from trees or plants, but there are so many things to be found on the ground. So let's see what we can find. This is a very pretty tree. Look at the flowers on that tree. I wonder if there's any that's fallen onto the ground that we could use. Let's see. Can you see any?
No.
Here we go. These ones have fallen onto the ground from the tree up there. I think they look so pretty. Like small flowers that are like in a ball. And there's another one. Let's take these two for our flower bouquet for our mummy. What else can we find? Look at this one. That's a very pretty flower. Do they go nice together?
Yeah!
Yeah, I think so too. Let's see what others we can find. Ooh! Here's another one of the yellow flower balls. And look at this plant. This is an interesting looking plant. And long, thin, brown sticks. And there's one on the ground here. Are there any more? Oh! There are two more here. Wow. So now we have 1, 2, 3 of these pretty sticks. And there are so many different types of leaves on the ground. I think these look very pretty too. And look, they're different colours. As they go browner, the longer they've been on the ground, because they don't have water to keep them alive from the tree. Wow, we found so many things already. Let's see if there are any more so we have a big bouquet to give to my mum. Look at these flowers. These are very different. It's like flowers and leaves spurting out. Are there any on the ground? Is it this one?
No.
No, that looks different. This one looks like it.
Yeah!
Yeah! Let's take this one for our bouquet. Look at these flowers. A small ball of yellowy white flowers. Aren't they pretty? Ooh, there's a little one on the floor. It's so small, maybe too small for the bouquet. But here's a big stick. That will be big enough for our bouquet. Oh, and here's another one. Look at those. Aren't they pretty?
Yeah!
Let's see if we find anything else around here. These little brown flowers look interesting. Do you like them?
Yeah!
Are there any fallen down? There's another one of our yellow flowers. These are everywhere. Oh, and here's the brown flowers. Are there any more? Ah, yay! Another little one.
Yeah!
Collected so many different plants. I think they look so pretty together. So many different colours and shapes and sizes. This one is long and thin. And this one looks like it has lots of little balls on the end. And this one is like just one circle at the end of a long stick. But together they look so pretty. They can be arranged however you like. We can mix them up or just randomly put them together like this. Now we need to tie them together so they stay like this. And then we give them to my mum. And you give them to your mum when you make your own. So we need something long and thin and bendy to wrap around the bouquet and tie it together, but also strong. So I think this plant is perfect. It is long and thin and bendy. And there are many fallen on the ground so that we can use them. So let's tie it together. Have the bunch together. Get the straw or string and wrap it around, making sure it goes around all of the plants and nothing is left out. And loop it under and tie it. You might need help from an adult if it's a bit too tricky, as it's very fiddly. And then if it's strong enough, you could tie it again, like that. And then you could loop it under to make it even prettier, like that. There! My bouquet is all finished. I think it looks nature beautiful. Do you?
Yeah!
I think my mummy will be so happy with it, as I picked it myself from nature. You could pick a bouquet with your mummy or with someone else. But the most important thing is that the gesture of giving a bouquet to your mummy. So let's sing the I Love You Mummy song for Mother's Day. Are you ready? I love you, Mummy. I love you to the moon. I love you and it's Mother's Day soon. I love your warm smile, your warm hugs for a while. I love your food, so yummy and scrummy in my tummy. If you were gone, who would be my biggest fan? Who would tuck me in bed and kiss my head? Who would show me the world and tell me the stories I behold? I love you, Mommy. I love you to the moon. I love you and it's Mother's Day soon. And again, I love you, Mommy. I love you to the moon. I love you and it's Mother's Day soon. I love your smile. I love your warm hugs for a while. I love your food, so yummy and scrummy in my tummy. If you were gone, who would be my biggest fan? Who would tuck me in bed and kiss my head? Who would show me the world and tell me the stories I behold? I love you, Mommy. I love you to the moon. I love you and it's Mother's Day soon. I love you, Mommy. I love you to the moon. I love you and it's Mother's Day soon. Yay! Did you enjoy that? Now you can sing it to your mummy and show your mummy just how much you love her. She will feel so loved if you sing to her and give her your beautiful bouquet of flowers, fresh from nature. I love my mummy. And do you love your mummy?
Yeah!
Yeah! Then we need to show them just how much we love them. Thanks for joining me on my Mother's Day adventure, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. See you next time. Bye!